Hello everyone and welcome back. Children, shall we learn to read the words short and long sounds? Let's start. I. I. Short sound is I. Please repeat after me. I. In this word there is only one vowel, so we will say its sound. T. I. M. Tim. Here there are two vowels. First one is name of the vowel. Second one is silent, long sound. T, I'm, time. Tim, time. B, it, bit. B, I, t, bite. One vowel, short sound, I. Here there are two vowels. Name of the vowel, long sound, I. R, I, d, rid. R, I, d, ride. T, I, l, doubles, double L, l, till. Children, please repeat after me. T, I, l, tile. W, I, n, win. W, I, n, wine. Till, tile, win, wine. H, I, d, hid. H, I, d, hide. K, I, t, kit. K, I, t, kite. Hid, hide, kit, kite. Q and U together. Qu, I, t, quit. Qu, I, t, quite. F, I, l, fill. F, I, l, file. Quit. Together. Quit, quite, fill, file. S, I, d, sid. S, I, d, side. Sid, side. P, I, n, pin. P, I, n, pine. Sid, side, pin, pine. In, fin. Ein, fine. Fin, fine. Read these sentences and mark the vowels. N, ein, nine. I'll, tiles. 9 tiles in a I'll pile. 9 tiles in a pile. Together, 9 tiles in a pile. T, im, Tim. H, id, hid. Tim hid in the in bin. Tim hid in the bin. You can see Tim is hiding in the bin. W, in, win, a, sight word, a, bike. There are two vowels. B, ike, bike. And r, I'd, ride it. Win a bike and ride it. Together, win a bike and ride it. It is not his kite. Kite, kite. It is mine. Eine, mine. Shall we say together? It is not his kite. It is mine. Sid, will. win, in, time, I'm time. Sid will win in time. I went, and went, on a ice, nice, I'd ride. This boy is telling us, I love learning. Children, go through this video again and see how many vowels are there in a word. If there is one vowel in a word, say its sound. If there are two vowels in a word, first one is long sound, that is name of the vowel, and second one is silent. So use the vowels, read the vowels. It will be easy for you. Thank you.